This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Adobe software for video editing. First, launch Adobe Premiere Pro, then click New Project from the Start screen. Carefully name your project and select a designated folder on your hard drive to save all associated files. After that, you will want to import all your media, including video footage, still images, and audio files, directly into the project panel for easy organization. This foundational step ensures all your assets are ready for the editing process. Now that your media is imported, let us begin the actual editing. Drag your clips from the project panel onto the timeline to start building your sequence. Use the razor tool to make precise cuts, removing unwanted sections or splitting clips for different edits. You can then reorder these segments easily, creating a clear and engaging storyline for your viewers. Experiment with basic transitions, like a simple cross dissolve, to connect your scenes smoothly, enhancing the overall viewing experience. To truly make your video stand out, we need to refine its look and sound. Head over to the Lumetri color panel to make quick adjustments to exposure, contrast, and color balance, giving your footage a consistent and polished appearance. Next, focus on your audio. Use the Essential Sound panel to reduce background noise and ensure your dialogue is clear and easily understood by your audience. Finally, explore some basic visual effects, perhaps a subtle warp stabilizer for shaky shots, to add that extra layer of professionalism. With your video looking and sounding great, the final step is exporting. Go to File, then Export and select Media. Here, you will choose your export settings, which are crucial for the video's quality and file size. For most online platforms, such as YouTube or Vimeo, selecting the H.264 format with a preset for high-quality 1080p is often ideal. Once settings are configured, click Export, and Premiere Pro will render your masterpiece, preparing it for sharing with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.